Hey, Ash here from Chessmates. What I'm going to go through now is the different parts of the chessboard and what role they play in a game of chess and how you start off a game of chess. So this part of the chessboard here, these four squares, they're normally called the center of the chessboard. Why we call it the center of the chessboard is that it's basically, the center of the chessboard is a very powerful part of the chessboard. You want your pieces to either be in the center or looking at the center. At Chessmates, we actually call this the kitchen. And the idea is that you want your pieces, essentially either in the kitchen or looking at the kitchen. But especially at the start of a game of chess, you don't want your king, this one here, the king, in the kitchen. Otherwise, it's going to get burnt. So this is the kitchen, and especially in the start of a game of chess, you want to be moving your knights and your bishops. So this is the kitchen. Over these two squares here, well, these four squares, two here, so A4 and A5 and H4, H5, we call these squares the bathroom. And you know why we call it the bathroom? That's right, because you don't want your pieces there for very long. So if you move this pawn up here, looking into the kitchen, you can actually move 1, 2, 3 different ways. So you can go 1, 2, 3 different ways. However, if you move one of your pieces into the bathroom, you can only move 1, 2 different ways. And especially at the start of a game of chess, you want your pieces to be looking at as many squares as possible. So you see a lot of kids, especially at the start, they try and do this, try and move their castles out and try and do that. But especially at the start of a game of chess, you don't need to move your castles out so early. No need to do that. You want to be moving your knights and your bishops and getting them towards the kitchen. Then you've got these squares here, the back rank. And we call this part of the chessboard not the bathroom, the bathroom's here. We actually call it the bedroom. So the idea is that these pieces up here, you know what they're doing if they're in the back rank? They're actually sleeping and they're not doing much at all. So when this knight comes out like here, we actually call it an octopus power. And you know why? Because it actually can move 8 different ways. It can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, if the knight's over here and in the bedroom it's sleeping, it can only go 1, 2, 3 different ways. And if the knight is in the bathroom, it can only go 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways. So, to finish up, do you know what this part of the chessboard's called? Yep, it's either called the center or the kitchen. Do you know what this part of the chessboard's called? That's right, it's called the bathroom or the toilet. Because remember, do you spend a lot of time in the toilet? Probably not. And you don't want your piece, like yourself, you don't want your chess pieces to be stuck in the bathroom for a long time. And do we know what this part of the chessboard's called? That's right, the bedroom. Because if the pieces are over here, what are they doing? That's right, they're sleeping. I hope that makes sense, and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.